kind of perfect universe behind our universe. We are all connected. Sometimes we don't feel it. We see all this fragmentation, we see separation, we don't really accept it. But I hope with my heart we can elevate ourselves and feel this positive energy and connect and feel very powerful, like one, altogether. And for this reason, I'm actually traveling a lot. I'm going in different countries. I try to find the same knowledge in different cultures, like in Maya, in Egypt, and Israel, and India, and China, Greece, and many, many different cultures. And I try to find the same kind of common sense. And I compare this, and this is the result. And field of life, which is this energetic system, actually. And in Maya, the idea was about that upper world is connected with the underworld. We're living in the underworld, so we are kind of roots. So everything is actually very important in our life, so we give all the stretch to the thieves. So we can influence reality, but we don't know it, because we don't have this connection sometimes. And it's possible to have this connection by understanding the pyramids. And pyramids speaking about different levels of consciousness. And we are like very close, you know, my calendar 2012, speaking about the end of our circle, which is, in my understanding, is very, very positive sign. It means that we finish ourselves with kind of circle and going all together to be like God and be able to share the universe and be creator in this universe. So it's probably something amazing, beautiful to start in this year.
Any end is a new beginning.
Yes,
but that's a new beginning. I just wanted to tell about the priest game in Maya.
Yes,
that was very interesting to me.
So you probably heard about the Mexican ball game. So it was two teams. I was very lucky that I have a wonderful guide in Mexico. He was from Maya, and he was very important archaeologist, and he told me things probably nobody else know. And he told me this ball game that was between two teams, one for the sun and one for the moon. So, duality, yes. Two teams of the priests. And each captain of the team were responsible for the victory of the team. And everybody wants to have like, to put the ball in a specific circle. And if it will be happen, then all community will know it's like an oracle. It's good or the bad thing will happen. They all try their best, but the captain of the team will have an honor to sacrifice their life actually for the community. They give their heart to the community. It's really very, very much extreme. So I don't want that you will be such selfish. Selfish and selfless.
The winning team.
The winning team,
they try to win, and then there will be really giving their life.
Yeah. And actually, in one Russian community, we would love, because remember Gorky Danka, who gave his heart to community.
So we have a Russian similar story of course. But I don't want to like make this extreme, but I think still we should like think not about ourselves only, but also think about everybody else and about humanity altogether. And then altogether we will go to the next level. But real life is not just the idea of this connection, which is also part of our body. According to Kabbalah, our spine actually is the perfect system of the tree of life. We have all 7 chakras. If you know yoga a little bit, you probably know this energetic center in our spine, which are all connected. It's why actually the other part of the show speak about spine and connection with the energy from the earth and elevating to the tree of life reality. Very important to my art is the colors. Blue is spirituality, red is physicality, it's physical love, which is body, which is blood, it's all actually good things that happen, you know, in our normal kind of material life. And yellow is the mind, it's like a plan of the architect. Everything is already designed. And then we have a yellow, which is like a spring. So everything starts to like show up. It's like connected to light, and flowers start to grow. And we really inspired. We have intuition, something going on. We really start to be very excited about it. And the third one, which is material manifestation. It's how spiritual fruits are accessible to us. We work hard, we did everything what we can, and then suddenly everything what was imagined became a reality. And it's possible only in our material reality, because we have our body and we have to enjoy our body, but we have to look for the spiritual fruits in it.
Why do you have all these two figures?
It's very important. It's, according to Kabbalah, it is right and left column and central column. Right column it is desire for share, and the left column is desire to receive. So it's very important to be balanced. If we are balanced, and it's very hard work actually to be balanced, then we can have access to this positive energy and have whatever we want from this. But also positive, negative, feminine, masculine. So it's like an electricity. If you know it's current, so it's plus and minus. It's nothing negative or positive, but it's just important to have two different poles that the electricity will really flow.
Energy.
Yes.
And how many levels?
So it is 7 levels here. Altogether it's actually 10, but 3 of them is kind of hidden. It's according to Kabbalah, it is one source of everything, a scatter. We don't have any access to this, it's just this point. And Bina and Chokhmah is kind of dimension we cannot even have any access, even if we want it. It's behind of our understanding. But the 7 leaves, you know, it's 7 levels we can have access. It's 7 dimensions we can have access. And here, actually, very interesting, altogether it's 10, but in Norwegian mythology, it was same idea as tree of Yggdrasil, it's 10 dimensions altogether. But in 3 of them, people were living, and the other were just on the board. If we speak about physicality and mathematics kind of understanding of the universe, mathematically they speak that only make sense to describe the universe as 10 dimensional, because otherwise it will be not coming together. So how people from before can know that? It's unbelievable. How was created, but they all fall down in a material life, which is a lot of fire, a lot of passion, a lot of love, but a lot of hate as well. It's life and death altogether. It's a lot of fun, but it's kind of dangerous places where we live. But we have this, our purpose actually is to rise and go to the higher place, to access to spiritual universe again, to gain this knowledge and gain this energy actually, to access to the tree of life again. It's all these 7 levels we can have access to that. And then we can create something new. It's creation of the universe. It's male, female, power of creation. We have signs of the zodiac all around, because we are all kind of influenced by stars and we have all our correction. But if we work on ourselves and our correction, we can be like a ray of the light and be altogether just the light, like a God.
So basically,
And this is again 2 figure giving and receiving? I mean,
Giving,
sharing?
receiving, definitely, but also male and female. Also spiritual and material. You see, one is blue, one is red. But it should be the balance.
Where is the male?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Because you can say this is plus, this is minus, you know, you can say like this way. It's all together. It's opposite.
The energy changes, right? So it moves.
I mean, we all heard about black hole. Is it going to the white hole too?
No, it's going the opposite. It's not going to the black hole. It's going from the black to the white. So we're going to be source of the light, actually, all together. When we're coming together, we can overcome our destiny and be great and be like a God. be like light.
It's
what I believe.
going on the way to perfection.
And the way everybody has to work on our kind of correction, and correction actually manifestates in a astrological sign, because everybody of us is a little bit different, has a different mission of life, has a different correction.
What is the yellow?
Yellow is light. It is light. It's a connection to God, as of this power of God we can do it. Not just about that.
Actually, like how you took the blue from Renaissance.
Yes, the blue, so we spoke just in some evenings before with Elena, she was fascinated. The blue and blue color. But in Renaissance, for example, it was very difficult to put so many blue color in the wall. If you remember the couple of 16 couple, it's a lot of blue there, but it was so expensive, so it can only Pope actually afford because it was made from minerals. It's of course not from minerals in the it's not that expensive.
Very expensive.
Yes, but it still is. It has some connection actually to the pyramids you have seen in other room. So with the levels, here's just 7 levels. So it's our levels we can have access. You know, all humanity can work together. In the end, we can reach connection with the light, be like a god by female and male power together, or duality, or giving and receiving. So in balance, it's very important to be in balance, and we will have all opportunity to be like a god, like creator.
Yes, it's always 2 figures, but here is 4.
Here's 4.
It is the same like 7 days.
And grapes and wine.
Yeah. It's the same 7.
Yes, actually 7 is mostly sacred number in every religion, every culture. We have 7 days of week. We have 7 heavens. We have 7 days of creation. It's absolutely 7 chakras in the body, so it's completely the same. It's fascinating. You start to compare, you find it everywhere.
So is part of the influence of the Asian influence of yin and yang?
Of course, yin and yang, you can speak about positive, negative, you can speak about masculine, feminine, same thing yin and yang, definitely. Definitely. It's amazing. When I had a show in China, people knew exactly what I'm speaking about. Oh, no, we will tell you what you're doing here. So we prepared the show, and I did a special theme of connection of quantum field theory and architectural pattern in Islamic temples. And it was a lot of connection. And they understood it immediately. Kuraita was studying in London. He immediately wrote 10 pages about connection. You know, he was so excited. He's like 27-year-old, young, very kind of extremely intellectual, very open-minded person. And then government changed. And everybody afraid to make exhibition. I said, oh no, so how you can do it? We should show it to people. We should bring this knowledge to people. They should know that we're so connected. And he really did it. So the change was in May. We had a show in September. I was not able to come because even we have a cultural ministry invitation. So German government, I'm officially German right now, so we will not protect you in Iran. Sorry, but we cannot. We cannot.
Especially blonde women.